Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is an after convention video and focuses on my model moving in a circle with propellers. And although it is gradually getting better, but at convention it turns out that several wires are getting too quick without connection. And one of the things is this wire, which is for the power. So let me insert it so it can actually do something, or actually should do something. And one of the things is this wire that shouldn't be like this. So I'm going to use another terminal block. But first I need to find out why it doesn't do anything, because all power is switched on. And this one should be right here, but that's why I'm going to use another terminal block, because these wires are way too thick to fit in here, and the number of connectors are not sufficient anymore. Anyway, enough to find out. Let's first try to replace this fischertechnik part by this terminal block. First thing to do, remove this one and put it in here, because I cannot find another way to explain why it won't work yet. That's one thing. This one has to be in here. And actually this one has to be there too. And this is wide enough to hold two wires. This is firm, this is firm. So let's then find out if this is going to work. And it frees some connectors as well. Although the whole project won't be fischertechnik anymore, but it already wasn't, because of this terminal block. And then this is green, replacing green, that is. Still not wide enough. There we go. Nope. That has to be done again. And with this rewiring and, well, replacing of some parts and improving some parts, not improving the moving of this ground plate. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, and you can also support my channel via PayPal and by becoming a patron, and by becoming a member via Ko-fi. You can also separately buy the full-length video via my Ko-fi shop. And you can also support by just buying me a coffee via Ko-fi. This will be maybe continued in a separate video, but certainly via a convention video, convention compilation. Anyway, for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care. Oh, and before I say goodbye, thanks to my supporters, which are mentioned on the special page of my website. Goodbye, and see you later in another video.